Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off suggestions notifications on your laptop. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on communications preferences here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on suggestions here. So then you come to this list and here can you click in push in this color or this sign. Then like you see color, it's gone. That's means suggestions on off with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.